One of the ways that our accountants are looking to address these challenges and provide further value to their clients is by freeing up their time. Our research has shown us that firms that continue to focus solely on compliance work as part of their practice deliverables can expect to grow annually at between 0 to 3%. If you compare that, however, with firms focusing on delivering advisory services, high value add advisory services to their clients, they can anticipate growth in the region of 10 to 20% annually. Many accountants we see are already offering advisory services, high value advisory services, even if they're not recognizing them as that initially. They'll often come off the back of one of those questions that you will all often receive, which is, can I just ask one further question? Now, in that moment is when there's a significant amount of value add often delivered to your clients. Some of you will be delivering that service as part of your existing portfolio of services. Many of you are now considering, however, how you can monetize and how you can drive greater value from that additional value service. At Walters Kluwer, we went out and asked 700 practices how they were looking to bill for these advisory services. And the research was really quite insightful. So 50% of you are looking to incorporate that value-added services to retain and to bolster your existing fee earning structure. A similar percentage, however, are looking to attach value. So if you're looking to help an organization, for example, raise a significant amount of fund, there's a significant value that can be attached to that in terms of you and your services that you provide in helping them to achieve that. There are solutions, however, that are developed solely for the purpose of providing added value services. So for example, with Walters Kluwer, we have our new FinSet solution, enabling you to harness the power that's sitting in bookkeeping packages across all of your clients to provide additional value added services at the touch of a button.